Now we are going to study the chapter compound interest. What is compound interest? To study compound interest, first of all, we need to know what interest is. I hope you guys have studied simple interest in your junior classes. So what is interest? Interest is the extra money that the borrower has to pay the lender as the profit for the lender. So that is interest. Now I'll explain you what is the basic terms that we use in simple interest or compound interest. First is principal. Principal is the money borrowed or the money lended. This is the money borrowed or lended. Okay. Then comes the amount. Amount is the total money that we have to pay back. That means that it is the principal, okay, plus the interest. Principal plus the interest is the total amount that we have to pay back to the money lender, right? So that is principal plus the interest. So what is interest from here? It is the extra money that we have to pay except from the principal, that is interest. Okay. The next over here is rate. What is rate of interest? Rate of interest is the amount of money that we have to pay on rupees 100. It is the interest on rupees 100. Now let's say that the rate of interest is 8%, okay, and I borrow rupees 200. Then the total money that I have to pay to the money lender is on 100 rupees, it is 8 rupees, okay. That means it is 8%, that means it is 8 rupees. So on 200 rupees, it is equal to 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 rupees. Do you understand the example? I borrowed 200 rupees. So this is the principal. Okay. The rate is 8%. Okay. I borrowed the money for 1 year. So this is principal. This is rate. So what is the interest? Without applying any formula, tell me what is the interest. Interest is, if rate is the money, if rate is the interest paid over 100 rupees, that is 8%. So 8 rupees is paid on 100 rupees. So on 200 rupees, how much money will be paid? 16 rupees. So the total amount is principal plus interest, that is equal to 216 rupees. Right? So this is the basic funda of simple interest. Now the time comes in. Time is basically the time for which you have borrowed the money. Okay, this is time for which the money is borrowed. Okay, so this is the time for which the money is borrowed. In the next lecture, we will do the simple interest and the formula for simple interest, and I'll explain you what time and compound interest and where the factor of time comes in and how do we calculate compound interest.